Notaries commissioned in Minnesota must also be licensed closing agents in order to do loan closings. If you're a licensed closing agent, here's how you can easily show companies on Snapdocs. If you're located in Minnesota or have uploaded a Minnesota commission, the ability to upload a closing agent license will be made available to you on your credentials page. Once you've logged into your Snapdocs account, click on Credentials in the left-hand column to navigate to your credentials page. Once you're there, if you haven't already uploaded a closing agent license, it should be listed under your Missing Credentials section on the right side of the page. Click it to bring up the form to upload your closing agent license. Fill out the empty fields. Enter in your license number, then the expiration date of your license. And finally, click the Select File button to locate the file of your license on your computer and select it. If you would like to upload multiple files together as one closing agent license, click on the Add Another Page link to select more files to include. In this case, I'm just going to have one file to upload as my Minnesota closing agent license though. So once all the fields have been filled out and you have selected a file to upload, click Save to upload your closing agent license. If it has been successfully uploaded, you should be able to see that you now have a closing agent license listed as a credential. If it's marked as pending, that means that it's waiting to be verified by us as valid. Verifying credentials can take up to a few business days, but you should generally hear back from us soon.